Hey guys, what is going on? It's the day after Christmas or Kwanzaa, so so Siri tells me. Yeah, life's sweet, and I think I'm gonna start the vlog right now. Today's vlog. If you guys wanna go watch something, go watch my 2010 Christmas vlogs. Because I'm not wearing any underwear. That'd be awkward if you watch me not wear underwear. Anyway, but we all do it, so I don't know why I feel self-conscious. Anyway, this here was made by my sister, and she's in 8th grade, so figure out what age you would be if you're in 8th grade, if someone was in 8th grade, which I think, so ideally might be the same age, possibly, as my sister. Whatever, so go check Amanda out. Anyway, go check Amanda out. She's my sister. You saw her in the vlog yesterday, and I want to see you guys on her channel. I want you to see you guys flooding it from the moment she uploads to the moment, the world dies. I want to see people with just who genuinely love love her videos. Who genuinely love my videos. They should go check her out. So yeah, if that's any, just go do that Go do that right now. Go check out the Rosie Rose 14. Anyway, so let's see what else goes on today. First, I gotta get pants on. It's 1:30, and I just woke up about an hour ago. So, yay! That's what life's about when you're taking breaks and whatnot. From school. Anyway, from being a sophomore. Orange. Stuff like that. Still don't have any pants on, guys. But look at this. Pop Rocks bubblegum. Yeah. Let's try it. Uh-huh. Ow. Well, that's something, man. That way I don't have to go on again. That looks cool because ices are. That was horrible. I have no idea what I was supposed to get at there. I don't even know. I'm not even aware of such horrible jokage. Wow. I'm ashamed. I just watched some Wheezy Raider videos now. Probably gonna head downstairs maybe. Since I haven't gone downstairs at all today. What is this white mystery you speak of? Oh. Maybe it's me. What am I talking about? Oh wait, I have to take the wrapper off. No. Icy, popsicle, and Pop Rocks. Right now I'm watching Futurama and I'm eating Skittles. Yes, I know I'm fat, but heck, it's the day after Christmas. Come on, guys, come on. Stop, just stop. Anyway, Futurama is a good show. think It's Always Sunny is coming on next. Just back to regular schedules for weekdays and whatnot. Finally have some pants on, so that's always good. That's one step up. That's really good. It's actually really good. There's a skill down there. And I need to search for it. You guys want to help me? No, I knew it. I know it. So yes, guys, I'm back up in my room. I was downstairs with my mom watching an episode of Cake Boss, 2 episodes of Cake Boss, I think. And then she turned around some sort of Duck Dynasty thing, which weird stuff. I don't follow a lifestyle like that because I listen to rock and whatnot, and you see 3 Days Grace. And then you got this stuff right here. I'm not saying anything about, but I'm just not a huge fan of shows like that. It's just weird. Who cares? Just Instagrammed a pic. Is that how you say it? Of old, oh my good old 4-string. That's beautiful. That's good. It maybe have a few dings and dangs on it. What am I even talking about? But other than that, that looks nice. I think I'm gonna go outside and watch some TV for a little bit. And I'm going to sleep or something like that. Oh, hey, man. I'm filming for the vlog. Go check her out. She's on Rosie is 14. She's gonna do a lot of videos. So, you may want to go check her out right now. Go down there into the pants. Oh, I think I look pretty good. Do you remember me and the kid I used to be? When your world comes crashing down. Pretty sure it's not that. Alright. That'll be the focal point of my room in the next few days. No vlog. Anyway. So. Right now I'm watching Family Guy. And bye. Alright, see you tomorrow.